Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make this kind of beautiful ball, hanging ball earring. This is contemporary earring. You can wear in the party, any function. You can see these are so beautiful. For that we need fabric glue, any stud. I have used this stud. I have made with pearl and this stone chain around it, and jump ring, and a golden chain like this, stone chain, golden silk thread, and scissor, and a plier. And I have taken jhumka, smaller size of jhumka. I have wrapped with golden thread and put bead cap, applying glue. You can see this thing, and later on eye pin. So first thing what we have done, we have take extra small jhumka piece and I wrap with golden color, and I put bead cap both side. You can see they are ready. And then next procedure, I'm going to apply glue both side, and then I'm going to just stick it. You can see it will be like this stick. I'm going to stick it, and after sticking I'm going to apply glue in the middle layer first, and then I will cut the stone size, and I will put stone in one side, then another side, and another, and I will fully fix it stone chain all over. But before doing that, what we have to do, we need to take eye pin, and I'm taking a small bead. You can even take a bead cap or something. I'm taking this and putting only in a one jhumka base, not for the both, only in the one, so that we can get it a hold. You can see I have put in one side eye pin. I fixed like a jhumka, and other jhumka is empty. After that we have to stick glue, and we'll put like this. Then later on we'll put stone chain and all. Now you can see I have stick both caps. Now I'm going to put glue at the middle first. You can see I'm putting glue on the middle line first. Now I'm going to stick my chain, first chain, at the center where I have joined both the caps. You can see I have sticked. Let it dry for some time, then we can fix the another layers also here, 1 2 3, and both sides. As you can see, I have fixed all the stone chain all over it, both sides, and it's a ball fully full of stone chain. Now where I have put eye pin, you can see I have taken a small piece of chain equal size for both earring, and I have put in this loop, and the other side I have just leave it. Jump ring is optional, as I am not using jump ring, so I'm just taking my stud. You can see stud, and I'm putting the, you can see I'm going to put the next edge of this chain in the stud, back of the stud. You can see now our jhumka is not jhumka, actually it's a earring. It's completely ready, and here I'm going to put back, and it's ready to wear. You can see it's so pretty. In my videos you are going to view many of the creative videos like this. I hope you will like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.